How to fix Satisfactory crashing on Crash on Startup Cache to your desktop or on your PC, how you can simply fix the issue. The main thing, if you're playing the game here on the website or on the application, suppose I'm playing it right now, this is the website. I'm playing the game right now. I will simply close this tab from the cross option and then click on the right bottom of the screen to check the Wi-Fi network connection, that if it's working in the full strength Wi-Fi network or not. We will simply have to check it, and then we will move to the airplane mode section to check that if our background applications are refreshed or not. I will again check it, the airplane mode section, and then click on the start button to simply restart my PC. What it will do is it will refresh everything that is happening on your PC right now and give you a full-fledged refreshed PC to work on. So this is all about how you can fix issues, because these type of issues only occur when you have a weak network connection or you're having a bug on your PC. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.